Wondering how to grow your account on TikTok? You need to be using TikTok hashtags. In this video, I really want to share with you the best TikTok hashtag strategy so that you can grow your account on TikTok and get more followers on TikTok. This is the proven 3-step TikTok hashtag strategy. Now, a common mistake that a lot of people make on TikTok, and don't worry if this is you, but they pick TikTok hashtags randomly. They don't have a TikTok hashtag strategy. And that's why they're getting low views on their TikTok videos and they're getting disappointed because they're not growing on TikTok. Did you know that one of the ways that you can get more views on your TikTok videos is by using TikTok hashtags? Because people are searching for videos on TikTok by using hashtags. So if you want to know how you can grow on TikTok and use TikTok hashtags for views, then keep watching. Oh, and you might want to grab a pen and a paper because this video has a ton of value and I've got a bonus tip at the end. Before I share the 3-step TikTok hashtag strategy, I just want to say a quick hello if you're new here. I'm Melissa Laurie, and on this channel, I create a video each week that helps brands and content creators truly transform their social media and take their brands to the next level. So if you find a lot of value in this type of content, then feel free to subscribe and we can hang out again. Let's start with TikTok hashtag strategy. Number 3, hashtag order. A common mistake that a lot of people make on TikTok when they're choosing their hashtags is that they don't know how to choose the best TikTok hashtags, but also they don't know how to order their TikTok hashtags. So I want you to think about your TikTok hashtag strategy like a triangle. Position 1 to 3 of your TikTok hashtags should be your most important hashtags. So these hashtags relate directly to the type of content that you're sharing in your video. Whereas hashtags 4 to 7 should be more about the search terms that people might be using, so they're the keywords or key phrases, also about your industry or specifically about you. In fact, would it help if I just show you an example? This is my TikTok video, and you can see that the first few positions relate directly to the content of the TikTok video. So I'm ultimately telling the TikTok algorithm what this TikTok video is all about. Whereas position 4 onwards is more about the industry, how people might be searching for this topic, and also about me. Now, the reason why the first few positions are really important is that we want to ensure that your TikTok video is starting to rank for these TikTok hashtags so that when someone searches for that specific hashtag, that your video on TikTok is in the top position. And that's going to help you get more views on your TikTok video and grow your account on TikTok. So the key takeaway here is to think about your TikTok hashtag strategy like a triangle and how you position your TikTok hashtags. On to the next TikTok hashtag strategy, number 2, and this is a really great way to grow your account on TikTok. TikTok keywords. A keyword is a phrase or a word that someone uses to conduct a search on TikTok. And the TikTok algorithm wants to show you videos that you've searched for on TikTok or that you've shown an interest in. That means that one of the best TikTok hashtag strategies is to use keywords. Just like I did in this TikTok video, which performed really well on TikTok, I've used the keyword TikTok algorithm because the TikTok video is all about how the TikTok algorithm works. And it makes sense, right? Because TikTok wants to keep you on the platform. So if the TikTok algorithm understands what your video is about, then it's going to show your TikTok video to people that are most interested in that type of content. And this is a great way to get more followers on TikTok because these people are going to be more genuinely interested in the TikTok content that you're sharing. So the key takeaway here is use keywords in your TikTok hashtags. That is going to help you get followers on TikTok. I'm just going to interrupt my own video and I hope you're getting a lot of value out of this. But do you know what the best time to post is on TikTok? I posted the exact same video on TikTok and one performed so much better, and it was because of the time that I posted it. So if you need a little bit of help with that, then feel free to check out this video after this. It's all about the best times to post and it's got a lot of juicy goodness in that video. So let's get back to this video. TikTok hashtag strategy number 1, and I think this is my favorite way with how you can grow your account on TikTok. Hashtag competition. Let me just have a drink of water. A big mistake that a lot of people make when they're choosing their TikTok hashtags is that they're picking really competitive hashtags on TikTok. And that just means that you're competing with other videos on TikTok that already have a ton of views. One of the reasons that you want to be using TikTok hashtags is so that your video can get in one of the top positions on TikTok when people search for that TikTok hashtag. So when you are doing your TikTok hashtag research, make sure that you're searching that hashtag on TikTok and you can actually see the amount of views that hashtag has gotten. Now, what you need to do when you're picking your TikTok hashtags is to use a mixture of competitive TikTok hashtags and less competitive TikTok hashtags. Just like I've done with this example here with my TikTok video, I've used a competitive TikTok hashtag, but I've also used a less competitive TikTok hashtag. And if we click on that hashtag, you can see that this TikTok video is ranking in one of the top positions on TikTok. Now, the reason why you still want to be using some competitive TikTok hashtags is because you want to tell the TikTok algorithm what your video is about so that it's shown to relevant people on TikTok. The key takeaway here is use a mixture of competitive and less competitive TikTok hashtags, and that is going to help you grow your account on TikTok and get more followers on TikTok. Now onto the pro tip, and I'm so excited to share this with you. This is what I do to find the best TikTok hashtags for 2022, or you can use any year, it doesn't matter. But when you're searching for your TikTok hashtags and you're typing in a popular phrase, add the relevant year. So in this case, 2022. This means that you're still aligning with a really popular phrase, but you're being more targeted based on the year, and you can see that the competition is a lot lower. So you've got more opportunity to rank your video on TikTok and grow your account on TikTok. That's a little trick that I do. Yay! You now know the 3-step TikTok hashtag strategy, which includes TikTok hashtag order, TikTok hashtag keywords, and TikTok hashtag competition. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. If you found this video valuable, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.